crazy. I'm just getting off work, trying to hurry up and get home. I'm covered in snow. My hands are cold. Whew. Was not prepared for this one. Praying that everybody get home safe. I know my family in Chicago going through some flood trauma. Y'all be safe out there. I gotta walk in these streets because ain't nobody plowed. And I am mad. I am so mad. Let me run real quick across the street. Oh, boy, oh boy. Oh, Jesus. I'm almost at the house. Right down the street. Alright, y'all. My phone getting covered with snow. I'm gonna let y'all go. I'll holler at y'all later, alright?